In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to italicize text in a Microsoft Word document. Italics are an essential formatting tool that can help you emphasize certain words or phrases, highlight book titles, or set apart foreign words in your writing. Learning to use italics correctly can make your documents look more professional and polished. To start, open Microsoft Word on your computer and load the document where you want to apply italics. The first and fastest way to italicize text is by using a keyboard shortcut. Simply highlight the text you want to change, and then press Ctrl and I at the same time. On a Mac, you would press Command and I. You'll notice the selected text instantly changes to italics. If you want to remove the italics later, just highlight the text again and press the same keys, and it will return to normal formatting. Another easy way to apply italics is through the ribbon at the top of Word. Highlight the text you want to format, go to the Home tab, and look in the Font group. You'll see a button with a slanted letter I, which represents italics. Clicking this button will apply italics to your selected text. Clicking it again will remove the formatting. This method is useful if you prefer using the mouse instead of keyboard shortcuts. You can also use the right-click menu for more control. Highlight your text, right-click, and select Font from the context menu. In the Font dialog box, you'll see options for various font styles. Check the box labeled Italic, then click OK. Your text will now appear in italics. This method is especially helpful if you are already adjusting other font settings, such as size, color, or typeface. It's important to know that italics are generally used for emphasis, titles of books or works, names of publications, and foreign words. You can also combine italics with bold or underline to create a stronger visual effect, but it's best to use these sparingly to maintain a clean and professional look. If you want to apply italics to multiple sections of your document at once, you can highlight all the desired text before applying the formatting. And that's it. You now know several ways to italicize text in Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to try it out yourself. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.